you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be making this wonderful winter body balm. So I'm starting with some deodorized organic cocoa butter wafers, and to the side there some melted muru butter, and the star of the show is eucalyptus balm. Eucalyptus balm. So it just refreshes you this winter and helps open up your sinuses if you have any of that problem, because it's cold, and this is just so warming and comforting when you apply it before bedtime. It feels really great. So I already melted down the cocoa butter here, and what I had in the glass jar was some muru butter, which was melted down. Sorry, I didn't show that, but yeah, that was just muru butter, and I added some cocoa butter. So cocoa butter is known to add stiffness to the end product, but you can also use a beeswax. And here I am adding blue tansy essential oil. So this is a very concentrated essential oil, and you cannot apply directly to your skin. You have to add a carrier oil, and here we have a bunch of butters, and I believe that there's some oil that I would still add, some kukui nut oil. I don't know if I added it initially, but then I would leave the full recipe for you in the description section. And you can add any essential oil of your choice in addition to the eucalyptus essential oil, just to give it like a citrusy blend. And here I'm adding the eucalyptus oil. I had gone ahead to add some lemon essential oil just because I wanted a bit of a citrusy blend to the eucalyptus, because eucalyptus can be quite strong. So if you want it to be a bit mild, you can add some citrus essential oil. Also, the blue tansy essential oil does have a strong scent to it, so I would recommend you blend the blue tansy essential oil with some citrusy essential oil in addition, just to give it a bit of a milder scent. So blue tansy essential oil is very good for the skin, and people use it to make pressed serums for the face. And if you Google around, it's more like an exotic essential oil. It's quite pricey, so you can use it for several things, and it works very good for anti-aging, blemishes, and other facial problems. So you can use this as a serum for the face, or you can just use it as a balm. And you don't have to add that much blue tansy essential oil. I am a bit heavy-handed, but I will still tweak this recipe. Just stay tuned for the next version of this recipe, because I still need to do a few things for it to come out the way I really want it to. And I may have concentrated this a bit too much, so I would come back and show what I do with it in the next video. But I just wanted you to know that this is an option this winter time, and it turned out really good, and I just like the fact that it's pretty opaque. So, but then maybe it needs to be less opaque. So I would come back and I will show what I did to it later on. I hope you enjoyed this video and continue to have a wonderful holiday season, and happy holidays, and stay nice and warm this winter. It's not officially winter yet, but yeah, we are feeling it here in the state of Massachusetts. So we will survive, and I hope you stay warm with your family as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.